Something that I do quite a lot for clients is I change the logo on one page only. Because what you'll have if a client has, or if you have a light logo and a dark logo, and then your color palette also goes from light to dark, you may find on your site you'll have different background colors. So, one page, there may be a huge full bleed image, and you need a white logo or a lighter logo on top. And then you may have a page where it's all white. And so that white logo or that light logo gets lost. And so you need the dark one. So, how do you do this? Because Squarespace at the time of recording doesn't allow you just to quickly switch in a new logo for a single page. So, what we need to do is a little bit of jiggery pokery with code. And I'm going to show you how to do it with a beautiful, beautiful picture of me as the logo. So, let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go into your custom code and custom CSS. In here, here's what I made earlier. You can see me just poking above. All you need to do is add an image in here. So you're going to click and you're going to add that from your computer. So I'll just add this again. If you click in here, it's going to give you the URL of that image. So all you need to do is click and copy that. Once you've got that, you then go back into your custom code. After that, you want to go into the page that you want to change. So I'm going to just use the home page as an example here. You click this cog, go into advanced, and then you've got the page header code injection here. So I'm going to paste the whole code, and you can see we've got style tags here. And then inside, we're targeting the header, title, logo. So we're targeting this here, and we're changing the content. So content, URL, and then this is the URL of the image that we just uploaded. So you'll just upload whatever the logo is that you want to replace. Then we need to set a max height. So I've just put 150 px in here and then save. And what you're going to see is a brand new, your logo probably won't be as handsome as my logo, but you will see a brand new logo on that page. Now, if I go to about, you can see we've got the boring logo. On the home page, we have the sexy logo. So if you want to just change it, on one page only, that is how you do it. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.